Whew, I've been up since like 2:30 this morning getting ready for the Super Bowl party. This is the first big Super Bowl, kind of big Super Bowl party I've had since I've been out here in LA. So I'm ready to do it big, and I'm going to church. Got another function I gotta go to. Then I'm coming back. When I get back, I'm gonna turn these cameras on. Probably like 30 minutes before the football game, I'll turn the cameras on. We'll have people in here running out, whatever. Nobody will be in front of the camera but me probably, but I'll have a aerial cam and all that kind of stuff. But we will have fun. Don't ask what's in my cup because it's a Super Bowl party. Just leave that out and come by and we'll have some fun. I've also got some cards. Thanks for Dan Rogers at Facebook. I've got some cards for people who don't really follow the game that much. There's a lot of people here that don't follow the game that much, so we have fun on the commercials and stuff like that. And plus, when you don't have a dog in the fight and really don't care, you have fun with that kind of stuff too. But I'll see you at my Super Bowl party. Tell me how your Super Bowl party is doing. Let's merge the Super Bowl parties together and have a big old Super Bowl party. All right, holla at you. Peace.